today. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. All right, so inside the box, we have paper in this. These are going to be really dope. I really can't wait to get these on. Let's see. So, handlebars. Okay, I guess I can't say that. I guess these are like bug deflector, wind deflector. I don't know why I said handlebars, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. So we get 2 of those, and we get, of course, the connection link pieces and the bolts. Again, this probably really shouldn't be that hard of an install, but you're dealing with me, so, you know, I ain't no mechanic. But let's try to get it done. So that's the unbox. Let's get to the install. So as far as installing the handguards, it's not that complicated. However, I'm having trouble on the right side, the throttle side, just because for some reason that side is really tight. I was able to get the left side. I was able to, you need a T30 bolt. You need to pull out this whole screw. It's like almost it's the size of almost the darn handle. But you need to pull out that whole screw. Go to your handguard. Find the one that is marked left, which there goes LH. So left hand, you need to pretty much fit it like so, keeping in mind that there's a hole right there that's supposed to match the hole right here. So once you've got it linked together, then all you do is get your coupling piece, a screw. You're going to find a matching coupling piece that fits correctly, and then you're going to screw it in. So I got a T15 screw, and let me show you. So this is the T15 that I used. Once I found a connecting coupling piece, went ahead, screwed in the first side. Then once that was set, then I was able to screw in the other 4. I can do this just by myself, but it does help if you have an extra person. This is what it looks like. Looks pretty damn good. Last step, I need to put that bolt back in. Once I put that in, we're pretty much done, and I'm gonna do the other side. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead and screw that in. I'm gonna get the other side done, then show you the finished product. Right, there you guys go. That is the finished product, and it looks damn good. So, till next time, y'all. Peace.